Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashana. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Or thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you read the title, you already know I'm going to be unboxing Love Me Here ponytail, their ponytail extension. At this point, just call me Love Me Here ambassador. I just love to shop with them. They have very good quality here for very good prices, and the other thing is they always have little deals going on. So for example, if it's Valentine's Day, they're going to have like a little discount code, or for Christmas, stuff like that. They always have little sales going on, so it's a great company to shop with. And yes, so today I'm going to be unboxing their ponytail. So as you can see, I have my hair already in a little slick back ponytail situation going on. I did some baby hairs, don't mind them, don't come for them. I want it to look natural, so I don't want too much. I don't like too many baby hairs, so I just did some swoops. Whatever, do not come for them. I didn't say I was a hairstylist, okay? All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So here's the box. Here is so it comes in this little bag right here, but I'm going to look what came in the box. They always put some extra stuff in there, so I'm just going to be opening. Okay, so I always do, the last time I think I opened, you guys saw a purple one. They gave me a black edge brush this time. So they also gave me another head scarf just to tie your edges down. It has the Love Me Here logo on it, and a stretchy band, a tweezer. I got a tweezer and just some hairpins, and also their wig cap. They always give you wig caps. I think I said that before. They always, and then just their Love Me Here brand clip. Okay, so let's get straight to the hair. They didn't give me a lot of stuff. I guess it depends on what type of hair you bought from them, and maybe because it's a ponytail, they didn't feel like it was necessary to give me all that extra stuff. This is the hair, which is very nice. So it came with this thing. Just taking it off, and so look at this. This is crazy. Like, it has like Velcro, so you don't have to use any glue, and that's one of my biggest things. I don't want to damage my hair, you know, so that's good. You don't have to be doing extra. And this is how it is, guys. This is the hair. So you literally just put that part around your hair and just keep wrapping it. And then there's a hook right here, so I guess you just hook it onto, hold on, hook it onto that, and then wrap it. Okay, and then there's the extra piece of hair that was after that, and I guess you just keep wrapping it. So this was super easy, and then there you have it. There you have it. Okay, so this is the finished look. Super easy, super easy. Like, who would know that you have on an extension? This is the side, and yeah. So if you guys do ponytail extensions, let me just flip this around. I'm just going to put it to the back on me. So anyways, I really like it. If you guys like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.